Okay, what I will do now is I will create a separate LED, layer for this LED strip. So go to your layer properties manager and then press this new layer, and then type a layer name LED strip, and let's make it as maroon or magenta, and then let's have the default for everything. Okay, and then after that, click your LED strips. Yeah, okay, you can just drag it like this, and then once you selected it, oh, okay, it's also selecting this one, so let's turn it off. Yes, so select it again, and then it says electrical devices. Press the LED strip, and now it will become LED strip. Problem is um, it's still red because it's black, and we will edit that one later, this black. So first go and select again this one, and then select the LED strip, and then again this one, and then press the LED strip. And then once you finish that, go and select one LED strip and double click. Say the black definition will be open, and let's open it, and Control A and select again the LED strip and close the. You will say you will save it, and now it's all pink. Amazing, right? So that's easy how it is. So once you turn off the LED strip, it will be gone. So it's already now in one layer, and then you can just copy it to the other side. But before copying, let's open this one as a guide again. Okay, and then copy this LED strip here. So type CO or copy, and then copy it here. Press F8. There you go. And then delete this one. And then again to the other side, copy. Okay, so now we're done with our LED strip, both in the cove ceiling and the cove walls. Yeah. Yeah. So I have now good layers. So if I want to make a layers for all these fittings, then I can just create a new layer. So for example, go to your layer properties manager again, and then create new layer, and I will say flood spot. Sorry, what is the label of that? For example, downlight. For example, downlight. And then I want to color the downlight with maybe green. And then say okay, all are default, and say yes. And then I will close it for now. And then I will check this one. Sorry, can we close now this dialux exported file? Yes. So I will select this one and go and click the downlights. Now it's green, so it adapts other line values. But actually we can again open the black editor and make all this green, but for now this is fine. So now I have the downlights layer. Again, select these two, four, and then select. So if I want to close or turn off the downlights, just press this one, and then there you go. So again, let's open it and then close the red. Now it's there. Okay, and if I want for the 60 by 60 or the LED panel, it's not 60 by 60, it's an LED panel, then I can do the same. Just create a new layer, and yeah, you can have your different layers for every luminaires. Okay, so I think it's almost done. We will see you again on the next video.